business review is a navigational tool. It's a navigation meeting. This is the meeting that will steer you towards your objectives and goals. That's the entire purpose of a business review. Business reviews don't happen with individuals, they happen with teams. Business reviews do not happen by walking around. You don't walk around your factory and an office and expect to do a business review, no. Business review happens with an agenda, it happens with a purpose, it happens with a team of people that you know are going to add value to that review. CEO का काम है कि मेरा बिजनेस अगले 2 साल में जहां मुझे पहुंचाना है वहां कैसे पहुंचेगा, और वो तभी पहुंचेगा जब आज की क्रिया बदलेगी. वो तब नहीं पहुंचेगा जब 2 साल बाद की क्रिया बदलेगी, वो आज बदलनी पड़ेगी to reach where you want to reach in 2 years. And therefore, working on the business is all about reviews. You can only work on the business if you are reviewing your business. अगर आप एक बिजनेस रिव्यू साल में एक बार कर रहे हो तो आपके बिजनेस को करेक्शन के कितने मौके मिले? 1 मौका मिला. अगर आप हर महीने कर रहे हो तो आपके बिजनेस को 12 मौके मिले. अगर आप महीने में 2 बार कर रहे हो तो आपके बिजनेस को 24 मौके मिले कोर्स करेक्शन के. So that's how you have to look at business reviews. They are opportunity, they are absolutely essential for course correction. Because whatever you decide, आप जो भी सोचें कि निर्धारित करें कि मुझे ये करना है या मेरी सेल इस ज्योग्राफी में इतनी होनी चाहिए, अगर वो नहीं हो रही है तो क्या करेंगे? हम कोर्स करेक्ट तो करेंगे. We will take different decisions. We will deep dive into what is not working. And that course correction is something that a business review enables you. These are the 3 reviews you must do. We recommend a weekly cycle. For business reviews, you can take it to fortnightly if you need. But the rest of it, you absolutely need a weekly business cycle. The first one is a business review. Second review we need to do is a sales review. The third, and I think it's a very, very important review that does not happen in manufacturing and service delivery organizations, which is a combined sales and production review. These are the 3 business reviews you need to do. That's all. Just start with these 3. There's nothing else that you need to do. If you do this, you will get control of your business. You will start working on your business. Each of these reviews cannot go beyond 90 minutes. Please do not have half-day reviews. They're absolutely useless. People switch off. There is nothing in the world which cannot be accomplished in 90 minutes, at least for that day. So therefore, please only do 90 minutes reviews. Reviews are not about what happens when you are in a review. They're more about what happens before and what happens afterwards. So please prepare for your business reviews. Do not go cold in them. When I say do not go cold in them, have the reports on your table at least a day in advance. Never forget to celebrate in your reviews. It's not only about what didn't happen, it's also about what happened. When you have a small win, and wins are always small, छोटी छोटी ही चीज़ों से बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. So whatever win you have, celebrate that win.